everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the August BOXYCHARM unboxing. I just got this in the mail, so I've opened it, but I haven't exactly gone through all of it. If you hear the echo, it's because the door to my bathroom is closed for today since we have the windows open. We're getting some noises from the traffic outside, so I thought I would just close it and go ahead and film this video. I do have some makeup on from earlier today, so I'm not going to try anything on. I'm just going to show you guys the products, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let me undo that. So first things first, we have the BOXYCHARM pamphlet type of thing, and this is the photo for this month. And here's the list of products. The theme is life of the party. I was going to say at, but that doesn't make sense. So let's get started. First thing I have, and just to show you guys real quickly, this is what the inside of my box looks like. It looks like I do have 6 products this time around. So I'm going to go ahead and go through them and have my little pamphlet here so I can tell you guys the prices. First thing in the box is this Adesse or Adesse Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. This is what the box looks like. Gonna open it up. Oh, and this is what it looks like. I don't really do a lot of nail polish stuff. I have like a whole nail polish collection, but I never really use it. So I might just give this to my niece because I know that she loves to do her nails. The price of this is, let me find it real quick, $18 is the retail price. Next up in here is from House of Lashes. It is a pair of eyelashes. I don't really do false lashes, so this is going to be another thing that I'm going to give to one of my friends because I know that she does like to use false lashes. And those retail for $9 to $12. I don't know if that's really pricey in terms of false lashes. I don't think it is, but I could be wrong. Next up is the Bang Beauty. Oh, I don't think I have anything from this brand. And this is, it just says Bang Beauty, so I'm trying to figure out what this is. So I'm gonna look over here. Chocolate eyeliner. Oh! This is what it looks like if I haven't shown you that. This is what the, oh, it feels like it came a little loose. But this is what it actually looks like. And this is the eyeliner. Very interesting. I don't normally do brown eyeliner, so this will possibly something that will be something to possibly test out. Alright, and this retails for $22, so it is a bit of a pricier eyeliner. Next up is the, oh, from Smashbox. It is their Be Legendary lipstick, and it is a latte, wait, is that the name of it? Because it says latte, so I think that's the name of it. Latte matte product. So, I've already opened it, as you can see. Oh, this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. It looks like a very nice hinted of brown, very light, hence the name latte. That's probably why they named it that. I'm a little nervous to see how it's going to look on my lips. Quick swatch right here, and it doesn't seem to be swatching. Okay. And then this is what it looks like. Swatched. So it looks like a very pretty color. I have to see if it's going to go with my skin tone though. Put that back up there. And then next this retails for $21 to $24. Next up is from Wander Beauty. I got the the mascara last time. And these are Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I have 3 of these. And these retail for $13 each. So I'm definitely going to be trying these out. And maybe giving one to my mom. I think that's what I'll do. I'll give one to mom. And then next but not least is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. And this is what it looks like. I have heard that it would be in the BOXYCHARM, but I wasn't too sure, but it looks like it is. And this is what it looks like. So definitely very bright colors. Unfortunately, these are colors that I already feel like I have in my Urban Decay Electric palette, so I don't think I'm going to be using this palette. I will potentially put this in the giveaway. I'll just have to see what I end up doing with this palette. But I mean, the colors overall don't look bad. It's just I feel like I already have one palette that has those really, really bright ones, and I feel like I don't need another one. And that, folks, is everything that we have in this month's BOXYCHARM. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.